guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video I am testing out a face mask. That's why I look terrible at the minute with no makeup on and I've just thrown my hair up. Yeah, I'm testing out this Garnier Skin Active Moisture Bomb Tissue Mask. It says it's super hydrating, rebalancing mask, intensely hydrates, helps mattify skin and pores appear less visible. It has green tea extract and hyaluronic acid and hydrating glycerin. It's for normal to combination skin, and it says 1 mask equals 1 week of hydrating active skin. So yeah, it takes 15 minutes on your face apparently. Yeah, so it says this is the mask for you if you have dehydrated zones and areas which are prone to shine. That's so me. And yeah, I just want a bit of hydration into my skin. It's feeling a bit at the minute, so I'm interested to see what this is like. So yeah, I bought this ages ago and only now I am testing it out. Okay, so I feel like this is going to be quite messy, so I'm going to get some tissues. Yeah, it's already making a huge mess. Okay, so soaking. Right, unfold the mask. Carefully apply the white tissue to thoroughly cleansed skin. Yeah, I've cleaned my face. Make sure the blue protective film is facing outwards. Okay. Smooth mask gently to ensure contact with the skin. Okay, here we go. This is the moment. I think I've peeled this off wrong, but we'll just go with it. Let's go. Okay, 15 minutes, here we go. Oh, I gotta feel the film. I was supposed to peel that blue film off, but I only just realised. Well, okay. There we go. Okay, time to take it off. It's been 15 minutes. I feel done. Okay, and then it says to gently massage it into your skin. And then it says to wipe off with a cotton pad, so that's what I'm gonna do. I've got to be honest, my face feels a lot smoother than it did before. Wow. That feels really smooth, actually. That is super soft. That's like really hydrated. I had some dry areas around here as well, and that's really hydrated them. My nose isn't too oily either, so that's amazing. Wow. I've got to say, it was a little bit strange. I didn't really like the feeling of it on my face. It just felt really wet. I didn't like that feeling, but I like the results. Definitely looks nice, and for $1.99, which is what this was, I think it's worth it. And it came in like lots of different types. So this was like the green tea one for combination skin. Then you can get one for dry skin and normal skin. I think you can get like different types, different smells and that. I think it's way easier than doing like for example like a clay mask where you dip into a pot and paint it on. This is so much easier. You just put it on, peel it off. Really easy, and it leaves like a moisturizer. Like this is like a moisturizer now all over my face, and yeah, my skin feels amazing. I can't even tell you how soft it actually is. and yeah, I just really like the results. So I think that I'll definitely be buying that again for $1.99. Like, you can't go wrong. So yeah, like, it's a thumbs up from me. That review was successful. So yeah, I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. I hope that this was helpful in case you were thinking about buying this. I definitely recommend you to buy it. So yeah, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and leave a comment down below if you've tried this or the other types and if you thought they were good. So leave a comment down below for me there. And yeah, just thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!